Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm making the cutest Easter breakfast with these Easter Bunny Cinnamon Rolls. I'm keeping it super simple, and I just used pre-made Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls from the grocery store, but if you want to get fancy, you can absolutely do these homemade as well. Let's do it! I started with this can of Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls. This is the 8-pack where the rolls are a bit smaller. And I didn't realize, but with these ones, the dough doesn't actually unroll. It's just a solid circle of dough with a bit of a swirl cut into it. So to turn these rolls into a bunny shape, I used one whole bun for the circle of the head, and then rolled out the dough from a second bun into a long snake and folded that over into the shape of the ears. This is a bit easier to do with the larger rolls that come in a 4-pack and actually unroll in a spiral. With those, you can just take the end of the roll and peel it back a bit and fold that into the ear shapes. But this still worked out with the 8-pack, so you can definitely do it either way. Once my bunny shapes were formed, I popped them in the oven according to the package directions. And when they came out of the oven, they looked like this. The ears puff up quite a bit, so while they were still warm, I just used a toothpick to push down in between the ears and reinforce their shape. Then I scooped the icing that came in the package into a small sandwich bag and cut off the corner to use as a piping bag. And I used it to outline the shape of the bunny head and ears and add a spiral in the middle of the head. Then I added some spring-colored sprinkles to add one more fun touch to the cinnamon buns. And here is the final result. Decorating these would be a really fun project to do with kids, and there are plenty of options beyond just frosting and sprinkles, like chocolate or caramel syrup, mini eggs, other candies, even chopped up strawberries and whipped cream. A dollop of whipped cream would make a very cute cottontail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed my content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!